Welcome to Wheels and Wonders. Today, we're exploring the 2024 Lexus GX, an SUV that masterfully blends luxury with rugged capability. Redesigned with both adventure and elegance in mind, the GX is built to impress, whether you're conquering trails or cruising through the city. Let's take a closer look at its specifications, features, and pricing. At its core, the 2024 Lexus GX is powered by a 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine producing 349 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it ensures smooth and powerful performance. A full-time four-wheel drive system, combined with advanced off-road features like crawl control and multi-terrain select, makes the GX an excellent choice for tackling challenging terrains. Inside, the GX offers a luxurious and tech-filled cabin that seats up to 7 passengers. Premium materials like semi-aniline leather and real wood accents enhance the comfort and style. A 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps you connected, while the Mark Levinson premium audio system ensures an exceptional sound experience. Additionally, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster provides a modern display of vital driving information. Safety is a priority for Lexus, and the 2024 GX is equipped with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. This suite includes features like a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, and dynamic radar cruise control. Optional upgrades, such as a surround view camera and a heads-up display, further enhance safety and convenience for all passengers. The GX's bold exterior is a perfect mix of ruggedness and elegance. A redesigned spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and clean body lines give it a commanding presence. Optional 22-inch alloy wheels add sophistication, while the body-on-frame construction and high ground clearance emphasize its off-road capability. The 2024 Lexus GX is available in trims such as Premium, Premium Plus, Luxury, and the new Overtrail series for adventurers. Prices start at around $60,000, with higher trims like the Overtrail Plus reaching the mid-$70,000 range. With versatile options, it suits families, professionals, and off-road enthusiasts alike. Blending powerful performance, luxurious design, and advanced technology, the 2024 Lexus GX is a standout in its class. Thank you for joining us at Wheels and Wonders. Stay tuned for more exciting vehicle reviews.